In this tutorial, we're going to talk about locating a template that's already installed on your computer and used in Microsoft Word. So we have our letter we created in our last lesson. We still have that on our screen. And even while we're in this letter, we may go to File, go to Backstage, and we have our tabs over here, kind of our little menu areas. So we have Info, New, Open, Save, Save As. We've worked with Save As, Print, Share, Export, Close. We want to click on New. This takes us to our new screen. If you notice, it's titled New, just like it is over here. And all of these things are templates. Our blank document, that's what we typically use in Word, unless you set up a template that you use every day at work. So this is still a template, even though it says blank document. You may not think of it as a template, but it really is. But everything here is a template. We want a single spaced blank. Is this single spaced blank? Let's see. Let's type in here blank. Oh, here we go. So we put blank in there and we have a single spaced blank. That just means it's single spaced. It's not double spaced, it's single spaced, and it's just a blank page. We're going to we're going to click this create button, and then we'll create our blank template. We're going to make sure our show hide is on. We turn it off, turn it on. If it's gray, that means it's activated or on. If it's not dark gray, then it's off. And that's how it works with a lot of these different things.